Here from Paradise Luxury Motorhomes. Today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to remove your drawers, and obviously behind your drawers you've got the water filter. Either side of your drawer you've got a black tag. One side lifts up, the other side does the opposite, so the other side is going to go down. Pull the drawer straight back, out she comes. Same again with the second drawer. Pull him out, one tag up, the other one comes down, pull the drawer straight out. After you've done that, what you want to do is go up to the top of your control panel, turn your water pump off and the isolator off. Open up your tap to remove any pressure out of the system before you go removing the filter out. Got the drawers out, the water pump's off, no pressure in the system. Underneath here is majority where they are underneath the kitchen sink. Grab a hold of him and clockwise you want to turn him to the right, straight down. Have some rags on the ground because you are going to have excess water dribble down. Once you've done that, pull the filter straight out, and that's the old one out. This is the new one we've got here. They're all pretty much the same sort of fitment. They've got an O-ring, one or two O-rings on the top, a couple little locking mechanisms here, so when you turn that clockwise, that's how she drops down out of the little keyways. It's a good thing as well to change these sort of once every year to keep the calcium build up down. From there, basically, we're going to do the opposite to what we've just done. So we'll put the new one straight in, up like so, turning anti-clockwise, like that, and that's locked in. Keep your rags down the bottom before you turn the pump and all that on, so just in case if there is a bit of a water leak, you've got the rags there over all your electrical stuff. So taps are closed, pump's back on. Can hear the pump come back on. There will be a little bit of air come out of the system. And there's your new filter there. So once we've done all that, you want to clean up all the area underneath, make sure it's dry before you go putting your drawers and stuff back in. So pull all the old rags out, clean the water up, push your drawer back in, and then to put the drawers back in, you want to have these ball bearing runners towards the front, like that. Grab your drawer, line up this part of the drawer with the center of that runner there. So we're going to sit him in like that, and the other side exactly the same. You'll hear it click. Push him in. It might feel a little bit tight, just be nice and easy, a couple times like that. That's in, and then you just give it a trial run. We know that's in, and home and hose. That pretty much concludes changing the water filter. If you got any more comments, again, feel free to leave them down below. Appreciate all your feedback from last week and look forward to seeing you next week. Have a good weekend.